Hello my friends, thanks for tuning in. My name is Tom from Weapons Education, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the urge to get magazines now. National emergency, okay? This happens to be a 50 AE, and I'm going to talk about this case system here and what I do. You can do whatever system you want, but I've always said buy 10 mags per gun, okay? Because obvious reasons your gun's not going to operate unless you got good magazines and you have ammo. Now, unfortunately, I was correct. I wish I wasn't. I did multiple videos. I did one named National Emergency, Get Ammunition Now, before the crisis hit, and unfortunately that came true. Now there's rumors flying around within the gun industry that magazines are going to be nearly impossible to get because of import laws on certain parts that build magazines. And I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to get into legalities. I'm trying to give you a tip, not to create any type of panic. I'm just trying to tell you to get 10 spare mags per gun. If you can't afford them all at once, that's totally understandable. So buy what you can afford now. Maybe one mag a month, and hopefully 10 months you'll have 10 mags. If in 10 months you can still get mags. Whatever your budget calls for, get as many mags as you can. What I did started way back. These are made by Case Club. They're specifically designed for magazines. I got 4 of them now. I got 2 here on display. And the way, first of all, the way it works is they're nice. Case Club, I have nothing to do with this company. I forget what they cost. They're like $300 at least. But what's nice about them is if it's a double mag, you pull out the 2 pieces of foam here. So like a 50 AE will fit, okay, and it fits all the way in there nice. And if it's a single mag like a 1911, you leave this piece in, and then a 1911, like these are 1911s, will fit perfect. Okay, I'm not here to promote some case company. I'm here to tell you how I store so many mags. So, with my gun collection, we all collect different things. Some people collect stamps, some people collect coins, some people collect art. I collect firearms, ammunition, and magazines. So, what's important is having a way to store all your spare magazines in an orderly fashion. So these are good, but the mistake I made is I started out with 1, and they hold about 200, depending if it's a double or single mag. We'll call it 200, and my mags are loaded, so that's a lot of weight. I filled one case up with fully loaded mags. All excited, there I go. I got about 200 mags in one case. Close it up. Try to lift it. No way. Way too heavy. Not going anywhere. It's got wheels, you know, like a piece of luggage and all that. Just way too heavy. Now, unless you put your empty mags in there, then it's a different story. But I like to keep all my mags full, not to the tippy top, with maybe 1 or 2 extra rooms to give the spring a little leeway there. But other than that, I like to keep them fully loaded pretty much. So I had the full one, it was too heavy. Then I got a second one, and then the third one, and the fourth one. And this is about the max that you can put in as far as weight if you're going to put fully loaded mags in here. It doesn't look like much, but I tell you, when you're trying to lift 75 to 100 pounds of dead weight, plus somewhere else you got your rifle or pistol system and all that gear, it's just too much weight. So You're going to need a lot of these cases if you have a lot of firearms. If you just got 3, 4, you can get away with one case and put 40 mags in one and you're good to go. Now, what I do for all my pistols, in addition to this, and I do what I say. So, like, here is my system. I can get these bags that are just a hassle. I can get them for you for like $80, but I met a guy at SHOT Show, and he's got to get them, and then he ships them to me, and then I have to ship them to you. So if you want these bags, they're really awesome. It's going to be like $80 plus, I'll call it $15 shipping, and about $100 a bag with shipping. So I have my pistol, and in this case, I've got here's an HK45, and now here's a great story about magazines. I bought this HK45 about 9 months ago. You know how long it took me to accumulate? See the red? These are right from HK. These are factory mags, and I recommend you buy factory mags. I'm telling you, national emergency, get mags now before they're obsolete like ammo is. It took me 7-8 months being on waiting lists, searching all over online to get the 13 rounders. That's a 13 there. 13 HK45 13 rounders from the factory. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've got another 5 in here. So I got my spare 11 here. And I do that for every one of my pistols. So I have all my pistols in one of these bags, or hanging in a vault, and then I got the bags with the mags, in my safe room. And that way, I can grab and go. And then if I need my spare mags, I can grab and go any one of these 4. These are made by CaseClub.com. They make a zillion types of cases. I'm not sure if these are even still in stock. I hope they are for you, but it's specifically made for magazines. Just remember what I said about the weight. But most importantly, the sole purpose of this video is to tell you whatever types of pistols you have, semi-automatics, is get your magazines now. 10, minimal of 10 per weapon. Okay, don't forget I said that. I hope I'm wrong. I hope that in 10 months from now, you'll be able to get them very easily. But I don't want it to be like where I warned everyone about ammunition, national crisis, and now you're looking at ammunition and it's nearly impossible to get, and you got to pay through the nose. So get them now while they're at a reasonable price. Trying to get factory magazines. None of these knockoffs. These are all 5.7s. Get them organized. Label them. These are all, I got Glock here, I got HK40 here, USP 45, FN 45 for instance. These are 50 AEs, plus in the bag of 50 AE, I got 10 more. And then this is not about me, I'm just showing you. These are all P220s, Kel-Tecs I see over there, SIG 357s. These are all 1911s. These are all 1911s. Yeah, pretty much. All 1911 mags, either 10 millimeter or 45s. And there you go. Just a tip. Get mags now. What do you think? I hope I'm wrong. But I know how long it took me to get those HK mags with 13 rounds direct from the factory. And then all of a sudden I started talking to people in the industry over the last 90 days prior to this video. And I hear news about what's going to happen in 22. And it's not good when it comes to magazines. Get your magazines now. If I'm wrong, the worst case scenario is you got a bunch of mags, which you should have anyway. And if I'm right, which I hope I'm not, but if I'm right, you got your mags, and you don't have to stress out and pay triple, quadruple in 6, 8, 10 months. All right? That's my tip of the day. Thumb up the video, subscribe, ring that bell. Please tell friends, share this. If everyone just shared this with one friend, we can double the channel. And I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. My name is Tom, and I care about all of you because we're all American patriots. We all love our country. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.